Feeling intimidated by investing? Wish you could trade stocks without paying a bunch of fees? Wealthsimple Trade has been a game changer for many, but is it the right fit for you? Let's break down the pros and cons of this popular platform so you can decide for yourself. First, let's talk about what makes Wealthsimple Trade so appealing. The biggest pro is the zero commission fee for buying and selling Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. This is a huge deal, especially for beginners or those who want to invest smaller amounts without seeing a chunk of their money eaten up by fees. The platform is also incredibly user-friendly. The app has a clean, simple design that makes it easy to navigate, which is perfect if you're just starting out and don't want to be overwhelmed by complex charts and data. Wealthsimple also offers fractional shares, so you can buy a tiny piece of a high-priced company like Google or Amazon with as little as $1. Now, for the other side of the coin, the cons. While the simple interface is great for beginners, it can feel too basic for more experienced investors. You won't find advanced trading tools, in-depth research, or sophisticated charting features that you might see on other platforms. This is a platform built for long-term, passive investors, not for active day traders. Another thing to be aware of is the currency conversion fee. When you trade US stocks, there's a 1.5% fee to convert your Canadian dollars to US dollars and vice versa, unless you pay for a USD account. This can add up, so it's something to consider if you plan on trading a lot of US stocks. Finally, while they offer a wide range of stocks and ETFs, you can't trade things like mutual funds or bonds. So, who is Wealthsimple Trade for? It's an excellent choice for new investors, long-term investors, and anyone who values a simple, low-cost platform. It's not the best fit for active traders or those who need advanced research tools. It all comes down to your personal investing goals and what you're looking for in a platform. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.